In the section, I think, factoring polynomials or trinomials, this is a polynomial, it's also a trinomial, I go over factoring. So, anyway, okay. Now that we've factored this thing, we want to set both of our factors equal to 0. And we're going to do that. So this becomes 2x plus 3. Set that equal to 0. X ends up being negative 3 halves. Then we want to set 2x minus 5. Set that equal to 0. And that becomes x is equal to 5 halves. So the question is, are these solutions? Now there's a reason why not only I've been going back and checking our answers, but it could possibly be that we come up with a possible solution, but it may not work. Take, for example, negative 3 halves. Okay, if I put a negative 3 halves over here, 2 times negative 3 halves, this is equal to negative 3. Well, you can't get, we take the square root of a number here, our answer cannot be negative. So negative 3 halves is not a solution to this equation. However, 5 halves on the other hand is. Okay. If you plugged in 5 halves over here, the 2's cancel out, you're left with a 5. Plug in 5 halves in here, 2 goes into 4 2 times, and 2 times 5 is 10, and 10 plus 15 is 25, and the square root of 25 is 5, and that's what we had over here, was equal to 5. So as you can see, this is not a solution, but this is. That's our only solution. Right? So that's just kind of a reason why we need to definitely go back and check. Okay, I think I've got one more here that I'm going to work. This one's going to take a while. We got to definitely end it on a difficult one. Alright, let's see. If we have the square root of 2x minus 3 minus the square root of x minus 5, and we're going to set that equal to 2. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to take this over to this other side. So we have 2x minus 3 is equal to 2 plus the square root of x minus 5. Now, remember, to get rid of these radicals, we square both sides, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and I'll just write it in right here. So we're going to square both sides, so that's going to get rid of the radicals. So we're going to be left with 2x minus 3. And of course, by squaring both sides here, we're going to be multiplying itself. Okay, so we do nothing over here, so 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times the square root of x minus 5 plus, and then 2 times the square root of x minus 5, and then square root of x minus 5 times square root of x minus 5 is just x minus 5. Alright, and of course I'll just rewrite this. And we want to simplify this down, so 4 plus 4 square roots of x minus 5 plus x minus 5. Now I'm going to go ahead and take, let's see, we're going to combine that stuff. 4 minus 5 is, I guess I'll just rewrite, skipping any steps.